Welcome back to digital class, and this is a discussion for booklet number 6, circles, and now we are looking at page number 16, question number 6. Let's look at this question. Here says that the figure below is formed by two quadrants, and the rectangle overlapping one another, and the radius of the smaller quadrant is 10 cm. Find the area of the shaded part of the figure. And again, now the shaded part is not really a shape, so it's quite difficult for us to find it out. Okay, but again, I've actually shared you with some method in the previous question, and let's try to use the same method to solve it. First, what we try to do is we try to name 1, 2, 3 in each region. For example, I name here as 1, I name here as 2, I name here as 3, and I name here as 4. Okay, and now I know that there's two quadrants and there's one rectangle. And let me try to write down first. I have one rectangle. I know in rectangle I have 1, 2, 3, and I have a big quadrant here. And this quadrant gives me 1, 2, and 4. And I have one more quadrant left, and that gives me 2 and 3. And my target is to look for the shaded part, which is 2 and 4. Now, I know that actually I have all 2's. I have all 2's here. So I actually can just choose anyone as my 2, but 4 is only here. Can you see that? 4 is only this. So interestingly, you will find out that if I have used this 4, then I can just use this 2. That's okay. I have this 2, I have this 4. And you will notice that actually you can try to do this. If I add these two shapes together, I would have 1, 2, 4 and 2, 3. Okay? Which this 2 and this 4 is what I want. Okay, let me just quickly highlight this 2 and this 4 is what I want. But you notice that, but if I were to add these 2, I have extra 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I have extra 1, 2, 3. Which I actually can use it after I found this. I used to minus this, which I will actually only have 2 and 4. You try to get what I mean? So let me try to write it here again. If I have this, which is 1, okay, let me just write here, 1, 2, 4. I add with this, which I have 2, 3. I would actually have 1, 2, 4, 2, 3. But if I were to minus away the rectangle, which have the 1, 2, 3, what I left is actually 1, 2, 3. So it's only 2 and 4, which is what I want to find. Okay? So with this concept, let's try to find out the answer. First, we need to find the area of the big quarter here, or quadrant here. So I know that, again, if I have to find the area, I need to use 1 over 4 pi r squared. So 1 over 4, yes, I have. Pi, I know is 3.14, is given in the question. And how about r? R basically is the radius, right? It means that it's here or here. But how can I know the radius? Interestingly, I know here is 10. So I know here is also 10 cm. So in total, I know it's 14 cm. So I know that my radius is actually 14 square. So you press on your calculator, 1 over 4 times 3.14 times 14 square, you find out is 153.86 cm square. Okay, we found the first one. Let's look at the second one, which is the smaller quadrant. I think smaller quadrant will be much easier since we have already found the radius. It's 10 cm, right? So again, the same formula, 1 over 4 pi r squared, 1 over 4 times 3.14. And again, my ratio is 10 square, so it's 10 square. And my radius is 10, so r squared is 10 square. So if I were to simplify or press on the calculator, you should get actually is 78.5 cm square. And the last one, which we need to find the shape, is the rectangle. And of course, rectangle will be much easier. Once we found this is 14 cm, which is this length is 14 cm, I know that this length is also 14 cm. right? So again, base times height, so it's 14 cm times 10 cm, and there's 114 cm. Okay, and again, what I found is 153, 78, and 140. And again, what I need to do is to plus these two together and minus the rectangle. So my final answer, which is the area of the shaded part, is 153.86 plus 78.5 minus 140. So if you press it in the calculator, let me try to press it. 153.86 plus 78.5 minus 140, you find the final answer is 92.36 cm squared. And that is your final answer. So do you get a concept on how to solve this kind of question? Again, we are trying to do naming by 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, like this, something like this. But if you found a better way, feel free to use it. And if you can straight away identify it, you can use it also. Okay? Depend on your choice. This is just one of the ways to solve it. Thank you so much, and I hope this helps you a lot and you can learn something again. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.